No, the video looks better in 0.5. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Marcela.
I'm Krille.
And we are
Diatin Contreras. Yes.
Welcome one more time to another vlog in our YouTube channel. We are celebrating 100 days together
As a couple.
as a couple. And we are going for a camping weekend.
Yes.
Yes.
We're going up north
Yes.
and we want you to join us.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Mwah.
Being together with a Colombian woman would be...
What were you saying? Start again.
What I was saying was that in my mind, being together with a Colombian woman, I understand the complaining about the cold. I don't understand the complaining about the heat. No.
I am. Why?
Where are you from?
Colombia.
No. But I mean, if we're being honest, no.
Colombia?
The cold part of Colombia.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I have been growing in Bogota, is the capital, and it's around 10-13 degrees. But in summer it's now like that. My mom said they were in 20 degrees. But
But
why?
and I'm just saying, I haven't
How
complained
I am.
once about the heat.
How I compare?
¡Qué calor! ¡Qué
No,
calor! That's you.
So I'm used to cold. Not like this cold.
No,
it's
exactly.
different.
You're the definition of the Swedish word lagom.
¿Qué es eso?
It's like, I want this. Not this. Not this. I want this. This is where I'm good. See.
And that is good or bad?
No, it's a very Swedish thing. So you're Swedish. That's what I'm saying.
¿Cómo? Is that possible?
You have that in Colombia?
Do you want? Oh my god.
Don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you.
You forgot this one. Is that for that one?
I'm sorry.
Tú eres cansón.
No, the video looks better in 0.5.
Okay.
Huh? What is the name of the laguna? This crystal water here is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. We actually found this place on internet, and it's so amazing. So beautiful. How it looks.